If you're interested in a free scanner, we live stream the free scanner most market days that we trade. Please subscribe, hit that bell notification, give this video a like, and let's get started. Just a heads up, you might want to stay till the end because I do have a little bit of bonus content for another indicator at the end of this video. Hey everybody, welcome to Seeking Trades. Today I'm going to show you a buy and sell volume pressure indicator. I'm going to give you guys the link in the description for the code. I'm going to show you how to implement this right into your ThinkorSwim platform right now. You can use it the next trading day or right now live if that's what you're doing in trading right now. Okay, so let's get started. Up here, you're going to click on the beaker, go over to your studies, and go down to create. Okay, hit create, subtract all that out, delete it out of there. You're going to copy the code down in the description, right click, hit paste, go over here to OK, hit OK, hit apply, hit OK again, and there you go. Now look down here in the volume areas. It's going to show you what volume, positive or negative, which one's kind of taking precedence here. And that's basically it. So this thing's going to be showing you some the buy and sell volume pressure, and that's what it is. That's what this indicator is. So if you like this and you want to be joining us during some market hours, I mean, I don't trade every day, but when we do, we live stream our scanner, and you can see what's moving and see what's nice to trade. And if you could just subscribe, hit that bell notification, give this one a thumbs up, share with everybody else so they could have an idea about what's going on in the market, that'd be great. Thanks, guys. Okay, so it looks like you stayed till the end. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you another indicator. And I'm going to bring over the link page that I have set up. Okay, so as you can see, this first code that's in the link that I've provided in the description is going to be the one that I'm adding right now. The first one that I just showed you, though, is going to be down here. So if you wanted the volume with the volume bars that were showing pretty solid colors, that's going to be this one. You're going to copy paste this whole entire thing. Well, not that whole thing, but to the bottom here, and then you're going to implement it as I showed. So with this one, you're going to just copy paste this one down to the bottom. Right click, copy, okay, and then go to your ThinkorSwim platform. Guess it really doesn't matter which one I use here. This one's blank, so I'll go up here, click my studies. Again, create, delete this. Right click, paste it, okay, apply, okay. Now what you have is a buy sell indicator that, or as far as the volume goes, and then you're going to have all this other stuff in here as well. So this is going to show you the average 30-day volume. So for this stock, this is Apple. It's going to show that 95 million is the normal average for the last 30 days. Today, so it was on Friday, it traded 109,000 or a million shares. So that's above. So it was at a little bit above what it was normally trading. And then the bars, the average 30 bars, not exactly sure what that is, but the current volume bars. And so if you want to look at right here, this is going to be the sell bar percentage. So I'm going to see if I could do a little on demand here and see if I could show you the way it works. Looks like it's going to be March 19th at 06:36 hours. I'm on the West Coast, so that's going to be a little bit of an indicator. Trading at 6:30 in the morning. Okay, so the on-demand feature is now loading, but like I said before, you're gonna copy paste the first code in that link that I've put in the description. Okay, so let me switch to a 1 minute chart. As you can see, you'll see on the charts, it's pretty nice to have. So this is indicating what the sell pressure is right now in each candle. So that's what we have going on. It doesn't show very much down here on the volume bar. I don't know why it's not, but maybe it's just not selling as much, or it is on demand, so it's probably not as accurate. However, this is what you want to see. So if you see a candle just all of a sudden just pulling down, dumping, you want to look over here and see what the sell percentage of that volume of that candle is. And it's 83% in this example. Okay, there we go. It loaded. So it's going to whip around and go back and forth. And this is a 1 minute. But it's moving pretty fast because the on-demand does that. It moves around and whips around pretty good. So during normal trading days, it doesn't whip that much. But this does fluctuate. So as you can see, the portions of that candle are going to fluctuate from a lot of sell pressure, and then once it goes down to zero, that means there's a lot of buy pressure. So that's going to be cranked up. That's going to be at zero, and then you'll see the stock usually going up in price in that situation. So right here, 0%, only 7% of the candles only selling. So it just, like I said, it's going to fluctuate. But if this hits zero and then all of a sudden you see this support right here doing really well, and then you see volume on the bottom moving up as the candle or the volume increases down here, and you look over here and you go, this is pinned at like zero, and everybody's buying it, and this thing starts to rip up. That might be, I mean, if you're in a momentum player and there's an area where you're thinking about getting in maybe above this last 1 minute candle to break, and you're like, I'm going to get into this at 120, 80, 90 or whatever it might be, then that could just help you make that decision. That's all I'm getting at. So anyhow, this thing looks like it's basing out right now. I don't know what it's going to do, but it looks like it's basically testing these levels and it's holding. But again, you take a look at this current bar sell percentage, and it's going, look at, see how low it is? It's not very low. It's not very high at all. It's at pinned at zero, and this thing just pushed right up above that area where I said would be maybe an entry. So that's the bonus content. That's all I'm saying. Also, so if you do want to download that, then just go to that link that I showed right here that I shared here in the description, and you're gonna it's gonna be this first one. This first one is going to be the one where it's going to add these volume bars. Okay, so I'll turn off the on-demand, and so throughout the day, this is 1 minute. I'm going to change that to like a 15. It's fine. So as you can see in the 15-minute chart, these are the volume bars that it showed the buy and sell in that volume bar. There's obviously a lot of selling in this first one right out the gate on Apple. But again, these are just tools. You do want to watch the price action, but this kind of does help you dictate what the price action is. So that's all I wanted to add. So again, if you are interested in seeing a scanner, I will be streaming on most trading days. Like I said, don't trade every day, more like a part-time trader. And yeah, I'd like to see more people join. So subscribe, hit that bell notification, give us one a thumbs up. Would love to see you guys in the chat room. As far as the scanner room that we have streaming live, we also have the chat in there. And yeah, I hope that I see you guys there. Thanks for checking out the Seeking Trades channel. Thank you.